Test. Hi guys, welcome to another Blender tutorial. If you are new, subscribe. I upload Blender tutorials. Today I'm gonna show you some cool animation with the sphere. If you are a beginner in Blender, I think you're gonna learn something. So, I am in Blender. I'm gonna select this cube by the left click, X and delete. Shift A. On the mesh, I'm gonna choose UV sphere. And I have my sphere. Now, I'm gonna go to this tab right here. And choose some modifier. So select right here and we're gonna choose wireframe, and as you can see I have this kind of cool effect, like some kind of spaces, yes, in between those points, vertices, whatever. And we're gonna add another modifier. So right here just click, and under boolean modifier is this kind of this whatever it's called. Okay, just select this modifier and nothing's happened because we must move this modifier up. So just drag this and just move this up. And if I'm gonna just change right here, I can change basically this kind of shape of the sphere, yes, as you can see. So you can of course animate this right here. Just select this point and this point right here pop up, just move this right here and maybe change the value, and once again click this pop-up and you have this kind of point, yes, as you can see, this kind of effect I have. This is stupid, whatever. I'm gonna just select those point X and delete, so you can animate this of course. So maybe I'm gonna choose something like this. And what you can do more with this, basically you can add particle systems. So just go right here and just click this plus, and we must change this to the hair because I want some kind of effect, like right here on the corners I have some kind of objects. We can do this. So I'm gonna change this to hair, and I'm gonna go right here to the source and change this not to faces but to the vertices. And basically we have number of particles something like 1000, yes. But I'm gonna show you a very cool tip how you can know how many vertices you have on this object. This is some side note and it's cool. Basically you must select this, duplicate by Shift D and GX to move this right here aside. You can delete this particle system right here on this minus, and goes to the modifiers right here, and you can delete the wireframe too. And basically just go to the edit mode by clicking tab. No, I'm sorry, you must apply first this modifier, this blah blah blah, whatever it's called. Just go right here and click apply and select this, go to the edit mode, and you have the stats right here. If you don't have the stats, just right click and just click scene statistic or whatever it's called right here, and you're gonna have number of vertices right here. So this is very cool side note. I'm gonna just select this and X and delete. So basically on this sphere, what you can do more to this, we can of course Shift A, add some object. So maybe I'm gonna choose UV sphere and GX and move this right here. I'm gonna select this stupid sphere, and on the render of course I'm gonna choose right here to object and just drag this on this fucking sphere. As you can see I have this kind of effect, like on the vertices I have this kind of stupid sphere, and I can of course change the scale, yes, of the sphere, and on the roundness of the scale, yes, right here on this kind of two values. What you can do more to this, you can, select this sphere, go to the modifiers, and we can add another modifier. So shift right here, click fuck, and just click displace. And this is fucking mess, but basically you must drag this displace up. So just drag this right here about wireframe, and just click new and click on this icon, and you can choose whatever noise you want. So select, I'm gonna choose this, and basically I can change right here this kind of effect. Yes, very strange fucking stuff. And basically what you can do more with this, it's very important not to apply this modifier, this displace modifier. So go right here. Okay, this is the icon, and just you can of course create a fucking keyframe and change this and create a fucking keyframe. But I'm gonna show you a quick tip what you can do another stuff with this. So shift A on the curve, maybe I'm gonna on the empty, I'm sorry, maybe I'm gonna choose circle. Yes, and right here on this fucking sphere that we created, I'm gonna go to the modifier stop, and on the displacement I'm gonna choose right here on this first stuff to object. Wait, to object. Now it's good. And I'm gonna choose this fucking sphere. Boom. This circle that I create, I'm sorry. And if I'm gonna just move this circle, as you can see, and I can just animate this circle, but you don't you can't apply this displacement if you're gonna render. So be aware of that, okay? Even if you're gonna add some keyframes. So select this, I'm gonna add right here on this tab some keyframe, and I'm gonna move this right here, and I'm gonna move this maybe right here and click another keyframes, and I have this kind of effect. Yes, stupid stuff. And of course you can add some materials to this. This is some basic stuff, I know, guys, but yeah, I think this is this site called Node. Like, you just selecting, go to the edit mode, and right here right click, and on the scene statistic you have the number of vertices. It's pretty cool. Okay, thank you for watching this fucking strange tutorial. You can of course add some materials to this sphere too, okay, to this spherical stuff, and to this sphere too. Okay, thank you for watching this strange tutorial. See you on the next video, guys. I need some content on this channel, so it's very simple.